The more we uncover about ancient civilizations, the more we realize they possessed knowledge and technology that challenge our understanding of history. In a vast desert, archaeologists work tirelessly to reveal artifacts that hint at advanced engineering and social structures far ahead of their time. These civilizations built impressive structures like aqueducts, enabling them to flourish while connecting trade networks that spanned continents. Artifacts like mosaics reveal the complexities of social interactions, while modern technology breathes life into these ancient cities, showcasing their dynamic cultures. From elaborate burial traditions to groundbreaking writing systems, these ancient cultures left behind artifacts that offer profound insights into their sophisticated belief systems. Structures like the walls of Machu Picchu reveal engineering prowess, while vivid reconstructions of ancient marketplaces illustrate the daily lives and economies of these remarkable civilizations. Excavations in places like Pompeii uncover vivid art that tells stories of ordinary life, while innovative presentations help us visualize the incredible efforts behind monumental constructions like the pyramids.